Ninth problem. If q of 0, 1 is equidistant from p of 5, minus 3 and r of x, 6, find the values of x. Also find the distances qr and pr. Here it is given q of 0, 1 is a point on a line which is equidistant from p and r. And the coordinates of r, one is x and the other one is 6. You have to find the value of x. And then we have to find what is the distances QR and PR. Now we'll go to the solution. P and R are the 2 points, 5, minus 3 and x, 6. Q is in a point on the line whose coordinates are 0, 1. Now, and it is given as Q is equidistant from P and R. That means PQ is equal to QR. Now by distance formula, we know PQ is equal to x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. P is x1 y1 and Q is x2 y2. Substituting this value of this x1, x2, y1, y2 in the distance formula, we get root of 0 minus 5 the whole square plus 1 minus of minus 3 the whole square. Now 0 minus 5 is minus 5 the whole square plus 1 minus of minus 3. 1 plus 3 is 4 square. Now we get root of 25 plus 16, that is root 41 units. 41 is not a square number, we cannot find the square root. Next we are going for QR. Same way, Q is x1 y1, R is x2 y2. Substituting these values in the distance formula, root of x minus 0 the whole square plus 6 minus 1 the whole square. That is root of x square plus 5 square. That is a root of x square plus 25. So now we know that PQ is equal to QR because this Q is equidistant from P and R. So PQ is equal to QR. So we are equating these two values. Root of 41 is equal to root of x square plus 25. So since we are having a root on both the sides, we have to square it so that we can remove the root. So squaring on both the sides, we get 41 is equal to x square plus 25. X square plus 25 minus 41 is equal to 0. So x square minus 16. 25 minus 41 is minus 16 is equal to 0. X square is equal to 16. X is equal to plus or minus 16. That is plus or minus root 16. X is equal to plus or minus 4. So the values of x are plus 4 and minus 4. Now we are asked to find the value of QR and PR. QR is equal to Q is x1 y1, R is x2 y2. R value we have here x, 6. So instead of x, we have to substitute the values of x, that is 4 and minus 4. First I am taking x is equal to 4. So when I write root of 4 minus 0 the whole square plus 6 minus 1 the whole square. So root of 4 square plus 5 square, that is root of 16 plus 25, root of 41 units. Next, when I take x is equal to minus 4, we know very well when you square a positive number or a negative number, with the same value we get the same number. So minus 4 the whole square is also 16, 4 square is also 16, plus 5 square, that is 25, root 41 units, both the same value. Now when I take PR, here P is x1 y1 and R is x2 y2. Same way we have the value of R is here x, 6. So now root of, when I am taking x is equal to 4. So root of 4 minus 5 the whole square plus 6 minus of minus 3 the whole square. So minus 1 square plus 6 plus 3, 9 square. That is root of 1 plus 81, that is root 82 units. Now next we are taking PR is equal to root of, instead of x we are substituting the value of that is x is equal to minus 4. So minus 4 minus 5 the whole square plus 6 minus of minus 3 the whole square. Minus 4 minus 5 is minus 9 square. 6 minus of minus become plus 6 plus 3, 9 square. Root of 81 plus 81, that is root 162. This root 162, if you find the factors, we get 8 2s are 16, 1 2s are 2, then 9 9s are 81. So 9 we can pair. So it becomes 9 root 2 units. So for PR we get 2 units. That is 1 is root 81 when x is equal to 4 and root 9 root 2 units when x equal to minus 4. So therefore QR is equal to root 41 units, PR is equal to root 82 units, 9 root 2 units. Two values we get. Next is the 10th problem. Find a relation between x and y such that the point x comma y is equidistant from the point 3 comma 6 and minus 3 comma 4. Here it is said that 3 comma 6 and minus 3 comma 4, 2 points are there, and in between the 2 points, when you join these 2 points, x comma y is a point which is equidistant from these 2 points. So the solution, we are assuming let the point P of x comma y be equidistant from the point A of 3 comma 6 and B of minus 3 comma 4. So A, B and P is a point which is equidistant. That means AP is equal to BP. So distance formula we know, root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. So let us find AP first, then BP. As I told you before, we can also do at the same way. AP equal to BP in a straight line, straight away we can do, or we can do separately, AP separate, BP separate. Now here I have done separately. A is x1 y1, P is x2 y2. So AP is equal to root of, substituting this value in the distance formula, x minus 3 the whole square plus y minus 6 the whole square. So when I expand a minus b the whole square from a square minus 2ab plus b square. So I get x square minus 6x plus 9 plus here a minus b the whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square. So root of x square plus y square minus 6x plus minus 12 by 9 plus 36 is 45. Take this as first equation. Next is BP. BP again I am taking B as x1 y1 and P as x2 y2. So substituting the distance formula, x minus of minus 3 the whole square plus y minus 4 the whole square. So when I expand it, this becomes minus of minus become plus. So this is a plus b the whole square form. A square plus 2ab plus b square plus this is a minus b the whole square form. A square minus 2ab plus b square. So we get root of x square plus y square plus 6x. 9 plus 16 is 25. Sorry, minus 8y plus 25. Let us take this as second equation. Now, since we know AP is equal to BP, from 1 and 2, we are equating both. This AP is equal to BP. Since it is having roots, we are squaring on both the sides. So, whenever we square on both the sides, the square root removes. So, x square and y square is on both the sides of the equal to sign. We can cancel it. The remaining part, we can bring every term to one side and equate to 0. So, minus 6x minus 6x minus 12y plus 8y. Minus 8y when it comes here plus 8y plus 45. This becomes minus 25 equal to 0. Minus minus, add and put the same sign, minus 12x. Minus 12y plus 8y, subtract and put the sign of the bigger number, minus 4y. Plus 45 minus 25 is plus 20 equal to 0. Here minus 4 is common. So minus 4 I have taken outside. So it becomes minus 4 into 3 is minus 12. So minus 4 into 3x. 3x plus minus 4 into y is minus 4y. Minus 4 into minus 5 is plus 20 is equal to 0. So to find this we can divide like this. 12 by 4 is 3. 4 by 4 is 1. 12 by 4 is 5. So we get equal to 0. When you expand you should get the same number here. Now 3x plus 0 by minus 4 becomes 0. So remaining is 3x plus y minus 5 equal to 0 is the relation between x and y. Thank you.